Hey Lisa, have you finished your Christmas shopping yet?
No, not yet. I still have a few gifts left to buy. How about you?
I'm almost done. I just need to pick up a gift for my mom.
Oh, that's sweet. What are you getting her?
I'm planning to buy her a new book. She loves to read mystery novels, so I think she'll enjoy it.
That's a thoughtful gift. I'm sure she'll love it.
Thanks. How about you? What are you getting for your family?
Well, for my dad, I'm getting him a new tie. He always wears ties to work, so I thought it would be a practical gift.
That's a great idea. And what about your mom?
I bought her a spa day voucher. She works so hard and deserves some pampering.
That's a fantastic gift. I'm sure she'll appreciate it.
I hope so. And for my younger brother, I got him a video game. He's been talking about it nonstop for weeks.
He'll be thrilled. I remember when I used to get video games as presents when I was younger. It was always so exciting.
Yeah, it's a classic gift for kids. And speaking of kids, what are you getting for your niece?
I'm getting her a cute stuffed animal. She loves soft toys, and I know she'll enjoy playing with it.
Ah, that's adorable. I'm sure she'll treasure it.
I hope so. Presents are always so special, especially when they're given with love.
Absolutely. It's not just about the gift itself, but the thought and effort behind it that makes it meaningful.
That's so true. It's the sentiment that counts. It doesn't have to be expensive or extravagant.
Exactly. It's the gesture that matters. It's the act of showing someone that you care.
Definitely. I remember one year when I made a homemade card for my mom, and she loved it more than any store-bought gift.
Homemade gifts are always so heartwarming. It shows that you put time and effort into creating something special.
Absolutely. And it's not just about giving gifts on special occasions like Christmas. It's the little surprises throughout the year that can brighten someone's day.
You're right. It's the thoughtfulness and sincerity behind a gift that makes it truly special.
I couldn't agree more. So, have you decided what you're going to get for your best friend?
Yes, I got her a personalized photo frame. We've been friends for years, and I thought it would be a nice keepsake for her.
That's a great idea. Personalized gifts are always so unique and meaningful.
I hope she likes it. I put a lot of thought into choosing the perfect gift for her.
I'm sure she'll love it. You're such a thoughtful person, Lisa.
Thank you, Tom. I try my best. So, have you wrapped all your gifts yet?
Not yet. I'm planning to do it this weekend. I've bought some colorful wrapping paper and ribbons to make them look festive.
That's a great idea. I love the excitement of unwrapping gifts and seeing what's inside.
Me too. It's like a little surprise waiting to be revealed.
Definitely. Well, I better get going and finish up my shopping. Thanks.
You're welcome, Lisa. Good luck with the rest of your shopping. I hope you find the perfect presents for everyone on your list.
Thanks, Tom. I'll do my best. And have fun wrapping your gifts this weekend. I'm sure they'll look amazing with all the colorful paper and ribbons.
I'll make sure to put in some extra effort to make them look festive. Thanks, Lisa. And remember, it's the thought that counts, so don't stress too much about finding the perfect gifts.
You're right. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for the reminder, Tom. Well, I better get going now. Take care and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too, Lisa. Have a great time shopping and enjoy the holiday season.
You too, Tom. Bye for now.
Goodbye, Lisa. Take care and happy gift hunting.
Hey John, guess what? My birthday is coming up next week.
Oh wow, really? That's great. Happy early birthday, Sarah. So, have you made any plans for your birthday?
Thanks, John. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm planning to have a small get-together with some close friends at my place. Nothing too fancy, just a casual gathering.
That sounds like fun. I'm sure your friends will have a great time. Have you made a wish list for your birthday presents?
Yeah, I have. I made a list of things I would love to receive as gifts. I've been dropping hints to my friends and family about what I like.
Nice. What's on your wish list?
Well, I've been eyeing this new book that just came out. I love reading, so I'm hoping to get that. I've also been wanting a new phone case because mine is getting old and worn out.
Those sound like great gift ideas. I'm sure your friends will take your hints and get you something you'll love.
I hope so. I'm really looking forward to seeing what they come up with. How about you, John? Have you ever received a gift that you really loved?
Oh, definitely. One of my favorite gifts was a watch that my parents gave me on my last birthday. It's really stylish and goes well with my outfits. I wear it all the time.
That's awesome. It's always special when a gift has sentimental value and you can use it in your daily life.
Yeah, definitely. I also remember this one time when my friend gave me a personalized mug with my name on it. It was such a thoughtful and unique gift, and I still use it every day for my morning coffee.
That's so sweet. It's the thought behind a gift that really counts. It's not always about the material value, but the sentiment and effort put into it.
Absolutely. It's the personal touch that makes a gift truly special. It shows that the person giving it really cares.
Exactly. I always try to put thought into the gifts I give too. I like to make them meaningful and tailored to the person's interests or preferences.
That's a great approach. It's not always about the cost of the gift, but the thoughtfulness behind it that matters.
Definitely. And it's not just about receiving gifts, but also about giving them. I love the joy of seeing someone's face light up when they receive a gift that they love.
Absolutely. It's such a heartwarming feeling to make someone happy with a thoughtful gift. It's one of the best parts of celebrations and special occasions.
It really is. So, do you have any plans for the next gift-giving occasion?
Well, my sister's birthday is coming up next month, so I'm thinking of getting her a bracelet that she's been eyeing for a while. I know she'll love it.
That sounds like a great idea. I'm sure she'll appreciate the thought you put into it.
I hope so. It's always a bit challenging to pick the perfect gift, but I try to listen to what the person likes and make it personal.
That's a great approach, John. I'm sure your sister will love the bracelet. It's the thought that counts.
Thanks, Sarah. I'll do my best to make her birthday special. Birthdays and presents. Hey Sarah, have you thought about what to get your dad for his birthday?
Oh no, I completely forgot his birthday is coming up. I need to come up with something quickly.
Don't worry, I'm sure we can come up with a great present idea. What does your dad like?
Well, he loves gardening and spending time outdoors. Maybe I could get him a new set of gardening tools?
That sounds like a thoughtful gift. I'm sure he would appreciate it. Is he into any other hobbies?
Yes, he also enjoys reading. Maybe I could get him a book by his favorite author?
That's a great idea. It's always nice to receive a book from a favorite author. What else do you think he might like?
I'm not sure. Maybe I could also get him a gift card to his favorite restaurant so he can enjoy a nice meal.
That's a great suggestion. It's always a treat to go out to eat, especially if it's at his favorite restaurant. I'm sure he would love that.
Yeah, I think he would. Thanks for helping me brainstorm, Tom. I was feeling a bit stuck.
No problem, happy to help. I'm sure your dad will love whatever you choose. It's the thought that counts.
You're right. It's not just about the gift, but also the effort and love put into it. I'll make sure to make it special for him.
I'm sure he'll appreciate it. Birthdays are a time to show our loved ones how much we care.
Definitely. I'll make sure to wrap the gift nicely and write a heartfelt card to go with it.
That sounds perfect. Your dad is lucky to have such a thoughtful daughter like you.
Thank you, Tom. I appreciate your kind words. I'll make sure to put a lot of effort into picking the perfect present for my dad.
I have no doubt that your dad will love whatever you choose. He's lucky to have you as his daughter.
Thank you, Tom. That means a lot. I'll make sure to put a lot of thought and care into picking the perfect present for him.
I'm sure you will. You're a great gift giver.
Thank you, Tom. I'll do my best to make his birthday special.
I have no doubt that you will. Your dad is lucky to have you.
Thanks, Tom. I'll do my best to make it a memorable birthday for him.
I'm sure you will. Let me know if you need any more help or ideas.
Will do. Thanks again for your help, Tom. I feel much better about finding a present now.
Not a problem at all, Sarah. I'm always here to help. Good luck with your gift shopping.
Thanks, Tom. I'll keep you posted on what I end up getting.